Welcome to our channel. If you want to connect Bluetooth headphones to your Nintendo Switch 2, follow these step-by-step instructions to enjoy wireless audio. Step 1. Turn on your Nintendo Switch 2 and go to the Home menu by pressing the Home button on your controller. Step 2. Select System Settings by clicking on the gear icon at the bottom of the home screen. Step 3. Scroll down the left menu and select Bluetooth Audio. Step 4. Turn on your Bluetooth headphones and put them in pairing mode, usually by holding the power button or a dedicated pairing button until you see a flashing light. Step 5. On your Switch, select Add Device and wait for your headphones to appear in the list of available devices. Step 6. Tap on your headphone's name when it appears on the screen to initiate the pairing process. Step 7. Wait a few seconds for the pairing to complete. You'll see a confirmation message when successfully connected. Step 8. Test your audio by launching a game or playing a video. And note that some wireless headphones may have slight audio delay, and you can only connect one audio device at a time. So any previously connected Bluetooth audio devices will be disconnected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.